In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located under the dash on the right side of the vehicle. Let's get started. Open the glove box. On the right-hand side, you're going to find a small tab. We're going to grab that tab and pull it forward. It slides out of that bracket, and then we can let that go. Now we're going to pinch the glove box together on either side. And let it fall down. Now we can see our cabin filter right here. There's a tab. I'm going to pull on that tab. Pull on the tab right here and pop it out. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver or a small pry tool and pop this small piece up in the top, and then you can remove that cover. Remove the old air filter. Take note of which way the airflow is going. Now if your cabin filter was really dirty and you felt pine needles or anything drop down into here, now would be a good time to either remove your blower motor or get a vacuum in here and try and suck it out the best you can. Install the cabin air filter. Install the door into place. You're going to push it far over the right side and then pull it towards the left side, and you'll feel the hinge lock into place. Now we can hinge that down, get the clip on the left, and make sure that clip on the top is also seated. Hinge the glove box up, and you will seat these two tabs. Now it should get held on its own. Be sure the glove box is fully seated on those 3 pegs. Be sure that one end doesn't try and pull up on you. We're going to reach back and we're going to grab that string that has that small plastic piece attached. We're going to slide that into the hole in the glove box and slide it up into place. Now that's locked in, close your glove box and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.